Welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In today's video, I'm going to explain how we can create repeating time period in absences. So many organizational tasks need continually generated time periods, such as a weekly period that start every Sunday. You configure these periods using the repeating time period. The worker accrue time at the start of each instance in a repeating time period. For example, you created a bi-weekly repeating period for an annual accrual term. The worker accrues time every 2 weeks during the term. You create the repeating period using the repeating time period under the absences work area. So let's move on to the application. Under the My Client group, click on the Show More option. Here, find the absences. Under that, you can see here the repeating time period. If you want to add any existing time period with your absence plan, you can add. Otherwise, just click on the create icon for creating new one. Give the name for the repeating time period. Description. And here you can see there are 5 period uses which you use here under the repeating time period. So what happened when we select the time card? It's often how people need to submit their time card. And second is approval. The date range when a submitted time card can be approved, including monthly. So it's up when we select the approval, it's approved the monthly period. Then second is accrual processing, the interval when people accrue time, such as every 2 weeks within an annual accrual term. And overtime, the date range used to calculate overtime. When we select the balances, the date range used to calculate time balances, for example, every pay period at 6 hours to a vacation balance. So here I just select and then give the time period weekly and select the period length. It's a bi-weekly. Here you can give the sample start date. January, and then give the preview period start date. And after that, select the preview period end date. Okay. Just click on the preview time periods. Here you can see it generated period result. Then click on the save and close option. So this is how you can create the repeating time period, where we can use this repeating time period under the absences. Let's move on to the absences again. Here, just click on the absence plan. Search your absence plan. Under the accrual, when you select the balance frequency source, it gives you two options: person primary frequency or time repeating time period. So here I select the person primary frequency, but if you want to add the repeating time period, you can add here when you create the absence plan. If you want to edit it after the creation, you are not able to edit it. Okay. So this is all about how we can create the repeating time period. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching.